Nice. Yay, you're learning. Good job. Oh, wait, we have this. This one. Yeah. Oh, you don't need to do that anymore, right? Because you're good now. Left, right, left. Okay. Left, right, left, right. Nice. Wow. Whoa. Nice. Nice. Good job. Hello, MJ. Oh, yeah. Ang galing na ni JILANA skate. Good job, JILANA.
Yeah, and you.
No, I don't know how to skate. Mama does not know.
You do. That's why you got it.
No, I don't. I don't have my own.
You baby, you had this. You baby, you had to do this.
No, JILANA, when I was a baby, I was poor.
Cool?
Yeah, I cannot buy my own toy. I cannot have like that. When I was your age, only rich people can have that in the Philippines. Yeah. I don't have a toy when I was a baby. I was poor.
Why? You have no baby?
My parents are poor.
No, not anymore.
That's why you got toys.
And you're a big mom anymore.
I am. Oh, thank you, Anak. Yeah. Oh, I like your hand like that. Nice. Oh, wow, you're doing that too? You're doing that? Who teach you that? Put your hands and then... Oh, wow, you do the trick too? Who teach you that trick? Whoa. Okay, be careful.
Yeah, we need to take.
Kinetic sand. Kinetic sand. Kinetic sand. Kinetic sand. Kinetic sand. That's volcano. And then you put a candle in the middle, and then now you cut it. Slow. No, you have to cut it.
Now you wet it.
I did not wreck it.
Like that.
Hello, Isa. La 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 la. No, you do this like this, JILANA. See? No. You put like that. Now you can put it and then put it there.
Wow, good idea.
That's a good idea. Oh, JILANA, you don't want to make a mess.
Good idea. It's red.
Oh, yeah. Oh, give me that then.
Do this.
You don't use this one anymore.
Do this.
I think we'll just throw it in the garbage, that one.
No, not the.
You like that? Okay.
Not to the red.
Okay, here you go. Nice.
Mom.
Oh, can we take this out? Put it there. Oh. Ah.
Yeah, Mom. I need that.
Please.
Please. Take your mom.
Thanks to God. Here you go. Nice. Good job. Here you go.
Cheese.
Oh! I didn't do that.
I will do this.
Don't remember Daddy's gonna throw it.